Come on in, right on time.
Well, I wouldn't want to be late to dinner with my best girl, especially when I'm meeting her parents.
Dinner is served. Come on, Mom, Dad, this is Ted, the boy I've been telling you about.
Boy? I'd say a fine young man. How you doing, son?
Just fine, sir. And a pleasure to meet you too, Mrs. Crawford.
Nice to meet you too, Ted.
Well, shall we sit down?
So, Mr. Crawford, I'm sorry?
Apparently Jill didn't tell you. We have a tradition here in the Crawford family. Before we dine, you know. It's a little ritual.
Oh, I'm sorry. How embarrassing.
Nothing to worry about, dear.
Yes, and now a moment of silence.
Dad's a stickler for table etiquette.
Silence! Good. Amen.
Amen. So, Mr. Crawford,
And now the rules of the table. First, don your napkins.
Don?
Put it on your head.
On my head?
Utensils outside in. Serve from the left.
Utensils outside in. Serve from the left.
Please pass the peas. Nicky, nacky, noo.
Nicky, nacky, new!
Nicky, nacky, new.
Eat.
So, Mr. Crawford, what do I do now?
You're not supposed to speak until Mr. Crawford says.
Speak.
And that's only after you prefaced your sentence with...
Oh, profound one.
Yes, of course. Oh, profound one.
Speak.
I hear you're in the roof and tile business.
Yes.
You know, that's funny. I mean, oh, profound one.
Speak.
That's funny. My father is also. Maybe you know him?
No.
Oh. Could you please pass the peas?
Oh, giver of life! Could you please pass the peas?
Oh, giver of life, could you please pass the peas?
Pass them peas! Pass them peas!
Thank you.
Thank you, divine one.
Thank you, divine one. And the water?
Water, 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 water.
Water, water, water.
Ew! What? Rain upon me, water!
Rain upon me, water.
Water, water, rain!
Thank you.
Divine one?
Divine one.
Yes, yes, yes!
Look, I'm not very hungry.
My hunger has abated.
My hunger
Oh,
has...
profound one.
Oh, profound one.
Speak.
My hunger has abated.
Abate! Abate!
I'd better be going.
Calgon, take me away.
Oh, profound one.
Speak.
My hunger has abated. Calgon, take me away.
Abate! Abate! Calgon! Calgon! Well, what do you think?
I don't like him. He has no table manners.